Well, with the holiday rush and all those meals in between, don't forget about the importance of care for your dentures. And here to give us some tips today, we're pleased to welcome Dr. Doug Peebles from Audubon Dental and Implant Center. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you, Christy. Glad to be here today.
There are so many health topics that people think about with the holidays, and denture care may be something that they could overlook. Why is it important to take proper care of your dentures during the holiday season?
Well, that's a good question. First of all, a lot of people have other priorities during the holidays, eating different foods, taking care of other business, going shopping, and they may neglect to take care of their dentures like they really should for their own health.
And one of the things that you had sent us with some of the information about it is that one of the things people do incorrectly is trying to fix problems themselves or perform repairs. What's the danger in that?
Well, there's a reason we're professionals, and in reality, when you use super glue, which is the most common material that people tend to use, it actually dissolves the denture material, and then when the patient brings the denture into us, we, in fact, can't use that and sometimes have to start over and make a new denture.
So naturally, people may be traveling, offices. I'm assuming you guys take a break for the holidays as well, maybe closed. What should folks do if they run into a problem?
Well, you can always look for a local dentist and see if they might be able to help you. And I think one of the things is I always use the analogy that your tread on your tire may be fine in the summertime, but when you get into the winter weather, you find out that the tires aren't working as well. Dentures are the same way. A lot of times people neglect to have them checked and examined, and dentures aren't working as well, they're not functioning as well, and then when they start eating different foods, they actually break the dentures or cause damage to their mouth.
So some of that preventative maintenance for those as well as everything else. And what are some of the things people do need to keep in mind with different foods that could cause a problem for them?
Well, if you've lost the cutting edges on your teeth, and this is where a dental professional would take a look, and we always like to educate our patients, and I'm really surprised how little patients know about their dentures because they get them, take them home, and use them. We try to educate our patients about the types of teeth, how the teeth are working for them, and how that can affect their digestive system if they're not chewing their foods properly. And of course, if the bone has shrunk and the denture is getting a lot of force on it, then that denture can tend to crack, and those are the kind of things that we see. Also, cats and dogs love to get hold of their owner's dentures, chew those up, and again, you don't want to try to repair those yourself. It's better to let the professionals take a look at that for you and help you.
And just kind of some of the day-to-day things, again, with people being busy, maybe visiting family, they can kind of get out of their routine, but proper cleaning is always important.
It is, and one of the things that you may have seen lately is that some of the denture adhesives that are overused have caused some problems with zinc poisoning, neurological damage, and generally speaking, when people are using too much adhesive, that's because the denture isn't fitting properly. Also, some of the agents that are used to clean these are caustic chemicals, and they really need to be rinsed off well before the dentures are inserted back into the mouth.
Well, I'm sure if folks are interested in learning more and getting some of those checkups that they need, they can contact your office?
Absolutely. We'd love to see anybody who would like to have us help them with their dental health care needs.
And if you are interested in that, you see the website and the phone number listed there for Audubon Dental Center at the bottom of our website. Great advice. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you, Christy.
We will be right back with the last check of your forecast.